Welcome back, and now news from sports. Defending champions Sagun Kamat Sports Club returned to their winning ways in the I-League on Thursday. The Green Brigade beat Mumbai Football Club by a goal at Fatorda to clinch full points after having suffered 2 consecutive defeats.
Sagun Kamat Sports Club had endured a shaky start to their title defence. Before coming into this game, the Vasco-based club had lost 3 and won just 1 game from their 4 rounds of the 2011-12 league. Karim Ben Sharifa's boys needed the 3 points on offer at home very dearly. However, Mumbai FC looked equally geared up and showed some attacking intent right from the start. The visitors could have easily gone ahead had the shot been few inches below the bar. However, the 11th minute strike by Anthony Barbosa was enough for Sagun Kamat to pocket full points, but the performance from the reigning champions was far from convincing.
Down the right-hand side. And it's a goal.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Sagun Kamat is eager to return to the field after enduring a frustrating period on the sidelines with a foot injury. The hard-hitting left-hander last played in the limited overs format in 2007-8 Ranji Trophy against Kerala. Sagun is targeting a comeback in this season's Ranji Trophy one-dayers. Sagun Kamat is one of the most explosive batsmen Goa has produced. His last innings against Kerala in 2007-8 Ranji Trophy had led the state to victory over Kerala. Opener Sagun had remained not out on 92. He has suffered from inconsistency in his playing career and has suffered ups and downs. But he is just looking forward to making his comeback soon.
I'm hopeful to be back for the one-days which I've not played since I've got the 92 not out against Kerala. I sincerely hope I play one-days, but the thing from here on is to get fit and just don't think about the results. I'm not expecting anything from here on. I just want to get back to my fitness levels and just hope that the injury recovers soon and just be part of the Goan team, which I'm honoured to be for the last 5 years.
However, the 28-year-old is still at least a month away from regaining his full fitness.
Hopefully I'll get fit by a month or a month and a half time. Hopefully I'll be back in cricket. Really frustrating, but injuries are part of the game and I hope I recover soon.
Okay. Mentally, how is it that you manage things? Because last year you were probably one of the most important people in the team. You were the captain of the side, and this year because of an injury and you don't find yourself in the team. How do you deal with it mentally as a player?
As I said, Nikhil, it's part of life. It's part of a game, and you have to deal with this kind of things and injuries. You have to be very strong when it comes to injuries. And everyone wants to play cricket. Everyone wants to play Ranji Trophy, but thing is, sometimes it doesn't happen, and you just have to give it a time to heal up, and then you can be back to your full fitness levels.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari from Panji. It's raining nationals in Goa. The 34th Junior Girls Handball National Championship began in the state on Thursday. Total of 23 state teams have taken part in these 5-day championships. In recent times, Goa has taken part in all handball nationals but has failed to bag a medal. This time around, head coach of SAG, Conceição Fernandes, is hopeful of a medal, whereas president of the association, Rupesh Mahatme, has guaranteed the state team winning a gold.
Goa's coach Conceição Fernandes gave a few details of the tournament.
This is the 34th National Junior Championship organized by Goa Handball Association in collaboration with Handball Federation of India. So regarding our team, we have started a practice in the month of August, and we have started a practice twice in a week from August onwards. And in the month of October, we have started a resident coaching camp. In this championship, 100% sure we are going to get a medal because all the girls who are selected, they are very well experienced and they played even inter-school level also 2-3 times national.
President of the association, Rupesh Mahatme, is confident of Goa's chances at the nationals.
Goa, definitely we are expecting a medal, gold medal. As a Goa host team, we are expecting a gold medal. But let's see, after all it's a game. Handball, Goa Handball started in 1982. After that we have, first we had gone for 9th Asian Games. Then we have organized Federation Cup in 1991 and Sub-Junior Nationals in 1991. After that we had Junior Boys in 2003. Now again we have come with the 34th Junior Girls National Championship.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Vivek Prabhu from Fatorda.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.